I'd like to do a side-by-side on a couple of different speed loaders. This is the kind of speed loader that I'm kind of used to. You just have a little mechanism that turns and it releases them or locks them in. And this one, it's really simple on the loading up the speed loader part, because you just pop them in, let gravity hold them, and then just turn it and it locks them in place. Then you got this great big knob that's easy to hold on to, and then you put them in the weapon, but you have to hold on to, it's kind of a two-handed operation, because you have to hold everything still so that you can then turn counterclockwise, and then it'll let go of everything and you're loaded up. This is your Safariland speed loader. It's a little more difficult to load because you can't just have gravity hold it, and you can't just put it in your hand and press and turn, because nothing will line up right. But if you have it on a nice hard surface, flat, just a quick push and turn and it's locked into place. And then what's really cool about these is when you're actually loading it, you don't have to lock the cylinder into place. You don't have to hold on to it with both hands. All you got to do is line up the speed loader and then press on the body of it, and it drops them right in. Just a quick, just press on it and it snaps and releases. And it's, I think, a better speed loader once you learn how to load it.